What's the single most important item in your home? About 5 years into our relationship, my girlfriend, now my wife, and I were in separate rooms of our small one-bedroom apartment in early December. From across the space, she called out and asked what I wanted for Christmas. At the time, I was juggling a full-time job, part-time university classes to finish my degree, and volunteering with a youth mentor program. So I answered, all I really want is a break. Fast forward 3 weeks to Christmas morning. I started unwrapping a rather heavy shoebox. After tackling through a mountain of duct tape and multiple layers of wrapping paper, I finally got to the surprise inside. A brick. I was confused about what I was supposed to do with it. She grinned and said, "But you sounded so sure about it, so here you go." Cue about 10 minutes of non-stop laughter. That brick now proudly sits on my desk, and whenever I feel overwhelmed, I glance at it, pick it up, chuckle to myself, and then set it back down, ready to keep going. Best gift ever.